Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. SSET Englishtown.
Hi guys, it is Jane. I'm here for my Monday, Wednesday, Friday 1B in room 501 at 4 o'clock. And today we will be working on writing. So you will need your practice writing books, okay? And I want you to open to page 38. So last time we focused on irregular past tense, okay? So today, we are going to be writing questions and statements. Remember, a question ends in a question mark, and a statement ends in a period. Now, for our statements, I want us to try and use past tense verbs, okay? For our questions, they do not have to be past tense because questions are a little harder and not always written in the past tense form. So, on page 38, we are going to be writing statements. So we need to write statements that go along with the picture that we see, okay? So let's try. So for number one, we can see a chef making something. So we can say, I made a cake for my friends, right? I made a cake for my friends. Our past tense word is made. Made is the past tense of make. Okay? Number two. All right, we see a picture of a car, right? So how about this? I drove a car to Han River, right? Drove. Drove is the past tense of drive. Very good. Number three, we see a teddy bear under the table. So we can say the teddy bear was under the table. The teddy bear was under the table. Good. And was is the past tense of is, okay? Number four. Well, it looks like someone's very full. So we could say he ate a lot at dinner. He ate a lot at dinner. Ate is the past tense of eat. And number five, we see water that is boiling, which means water that is hot. So I boiled water for ramen. Yeah. I boiled, ed makes it past tense, water for ramen. Good. So here we have our statements. They all contain a past tense word and a period. We also made sure we capitalize the beginning of a sentence because that is just proper sentence etiquette. We always capitalize the first letter in a sentence and end it with some form of punctuation, correct? All right. So let's go ahead and erase these. And on the next page, I want you to look at the pictures and think of questions we can ask. Now remember, these questions do not need to be past tense. These questions can just be anything you want as long as it goes along with the picture and uses proper grammar. So here it looks like like we see a little boy talking to his mom. So maybe he's asking if he can play. May I play with my friend? May I play with my friend? And whenever you're talking to an adult asking a question, you want to be more polite, so you would say, may I? Right? If you're asking permission to do something, may I? If you're asking if you have the ability, can I? So may I go to the restroom? May I play with my friend? May I go over to the gaming room for a little bit? You want to ask and be polite. May I? Okay, so number 2. What about, where is the post office? Where is the post office? Good. Well, if we look at the next picture, it looks like they're trying to find something. Looks like they're trying to find the cat that's sleeping behind the couch. So, we could say, where is the cat? Where is the cat? Okay? Now, it looks like for number 4, he's a bit frantic and he saw a bird. So you could say, did you see that bird? Did you see that bird? Good. And then we look and it seems like a mother talking to her 2 children. It could be, did you see that star? Or do you see that star? Do you see that star? Good. All right, so these were examples of questions. So now, on the next page, by yourself, you on page 40 are going to write statements, things that end in periods using past tense. And on page 41, you are going to write questions. They do not have to be past tense. Just make sure both your questions and your statements relate back to the pictures that you are seeing. Try your best. If you are not sure, you can always mark it, or you can try and write it how you want to and come and ask me the next time we have class together. Then we can talk about it and I can try and help you figure out what you are wanting to say. It's not a big deal. It's okay. This is practice. This is to make you better at writing questions and statements. It is okay if you do not know and things are a bit confusing. It will be fine. We got this, and I hope everyone has a super wonderful day. Like I said, if you are not sure about something, put like a star or something next to it and bring it to class next time. Show me and be like, Jane teacher, I need help with this. Can you explain this to me? That is okay. That is totally fine. Try your best, and if you still don't know, put a star, ask me, we can work it out together, all right? Don't worry about it, it'll be okay. So I hope everyone is doing well, enjoying the beautiful spring weather, and I will see you all next time. Don't forget to do pages 40 and 41. All right, see you guys.
Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. SSET Englishtown.